Hi class, before we continue, please make sure you have read the question. If you haven't, please pause the video and read the question now. Okay, as you can see, we are going to draw find a 45-degree angle with vertex A. I have labeled the vertex A on the top right-hand side, top right vertex of the square. So what are the methods you can think of? I have two different methods. The first one is I'm going to use a measuring device, a protractor. I'm going to these are the steps. Firstly, I'm going to place the center of the protractor at the vertex A, then place its baseline along one side of the square, which is AC in this case, measure the 45-degree angle with the protractor and label the angle BAC with a single curved line and a 45 degree. Okay, this is one method using the measuring device. We have different kinds of measuring device. The one that we are most familiar with are the protractors and the rulers. Okay, here is another method. I'm sure some of you have think of this one. So for a square, it is a very special quadrilateral. What are the geometrical properties of a square? I think a lot of you can think of these properties. All sides are equal. All angles are right angles. Opposite sides are parallel. Diagonals are equal. Diagonals bisect each other at right angle. But actually there is one more property of a square, which is the diagonals actually bisect the interior angles. So I have labeled these angles with single curved line because they are all equal to each other. The diagonals bisect the right angles. What is a half of 90 degrees? It is actually 45 degrees. So actually all these single curved lines represents a 45-degree angle. So let's get back to our question. What is the method I want to show you here? You can draw the diagonal of the square, which is AB in this case. And because the diagonal bisects the interior angle, which is 90 degrees, you can label the angle BAC, which is equal to 45 degrees. And of course, this angle is equal to this angle. I used double curved lines to show it. Both of them are 45 degrees. Okay, these are two different methods. Of course, you can think of the third or even fourth method. But could you please think of